Hello everybody, Bad Weather Freak here. It is July 31st, 2020, and I have a brief update regarding what is now Hurricane Isaias. Late last night, Tropical Storm Isaias was upgraded to hurricane status due to the fact that it's looking better organized, and winds have been increasing, and that's pretty much why. So as it exited Dominican Republic or Hispaniola, it actually started getting a little bit better organized, and that's what is going on. As of this morning, it had a pretty good flare-up showing signs of intensification. Now, as far as it's slowing down, it's not moving as fast as it was. At one point, it was moving like 25 miles an hour. Right now, it's moving at, I want to say, I think it was 17 miles per hour as of the 8 a.m. update. So it is definitely slowing down. And one thing that we have to keep in mind is, based on what the experts have been talking about, as far as landfall in Florida, it all depends on how strong it gets. If the stronger it gets, the less likely it is that it's gonna make landfall in Florida. Apparently, now I have an app, for example, that actually shows me that, at least briefly, Isaias should be a Category 2 hurricane, but it looks like it's just for a brief period of time. As it keeps moving northwest and closer to Florida, it shows that it weakens again. Now, it's very uncertain, the track at this point. Today we will know for sure what is going to happen. Most likely at the 11 a.m. update, because for the 8 a.m. update we didn't have any updates on the track. But the thing to keep in mind is, everything looks like it's not going to make landfall in Florida. It's pretty much gonna like scrape the coast. But the thing that we have to keep in mind is, that's not set in stone. So if the storm tracks, let's say, I don't know, 10-15 miles west and takes it closer to Florida, then obviously we're gonna have some more impacts. And it's always possible. So that's the thing, it's always possible. Nothing is set in stone. So just like I said before, just get ready, be prepared, so that way nothing catches you off guard. Today, I would say it's gonna be probably your last chance. Even maybe tomorrow might be your last chance, because as it is slowing down, it's actually showing that it may actually take more time to get to us, of course. But it was up to yesterday, it was saying that probably by Sunday morning, maybe Sunday afternoon, Saturday afternoon, it was gonna be on our area, like in Central Florida area. But it's not looking like it may be Sunday afternoon or something like that. So it's actually getting delayed because it is slowing down. We have seen it many times where the storms completely develop pretty quick, within a matter of days. I mean, we have Hurricane Michael, we got even Dorian, and some other ones. Wilma, I think it was Wilma in 2005 that it did the same thing. These storms went from like tropical storms to Category 5 hurricanes in a matter of a couple days. I'm not saying that's the exact same thing is gonna happen with Isaias, but you just never know, because none of the forecast models predicted that Isaias was gonna become a hurricane. None. I think maybe one, but none of the major forecast or forecasting models said that. So obviously, that's something that none of us were expecting. And one thing to keep in mind also is that these forecast models are not reliable when it comes to forecasting the strength. And even with the best thing that they do, which is forecasting the track, they get it, they're off all the time. So that's why I said it's not set in stones. Just be prepared. Don't leave it for the last minute. I would say possibly tomorrow will be the last chance you have. to gather your supplies and start preparing your house. It's not going to be a big wind event, but it's definitely going to be a lot of rain, and just make sure that it's your house doesn't have a lot of debris around and things like patio furniture and things like that could be projectiles even with a little bit of wind. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you as of this morning. Isaias, a hurricane, and it looks like we may have something a little stronger than expected, but we'll see. Other than that, have a good day, guys. Stay safe.